In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit memos with QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for any business, and knowing how to handle credit memos can be a big part of this. So let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once there, you simply click on the sign in button to get started. This will take you to the login screen where you'll choose the option labeled QuickBooks Online. Make sure you select the correct service to avoid any mix-ups with your credentials. Now it's time to enter your login details. Carefully type in your credentials. This includes your username and password, and then press continue. It's important to ensure your information is correct before proceeding to avoid any delays or lockouts from your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. You'll spot an option labeled New. Click on that to begin the process of creating your credit memo. The New button is a gateway to a variety of different forms and templates within QuickBooks, but today we're focusing on credit memos. Next, you'll need to select Credit Memo from the drop-down list that appears. This action will open up the Credit Memo form, which is an essential tool for managing customer credits accurately. With this form ready, we're moving on to the details. The first thing you'll need to do here is to add a customer. Inputting the correct customer details ensures the credit memo is attributed to the right account, keeping your records precise and avoiding any confusion later on. Select the customer from your list or add a new one if needed. Following that, add the product or service that is being credited. This helps maintain clarity in terms of what the credit memo is for, and QuickBooks will automatically pull in any associated data from your inventory or service list. Make sure to verify the product or service details are correct to prevent discrepancies. Now enter the amount. This is the total value being credited to the customer's account. Accuracy is key here. Double check the figures so they reflect the intended credit. This ensures consistency in your financial records and fosters trust with your customers. With everything filled out, it's time to wrap up the process by clicking Save and Send. This not only saves the credit memo in your records, but also prompts you to send it to the customer, ensuring they are aware of the credit issued to their account. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. Keeping close tabs on customer credits is a great way to streamline your accounting processes and provide exceptional service. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.